this is Frank Smaller Farms, and today we've got another day on Westwood Farm. Now, they've just been bringing goats out of here because they're going to be bringing sheep in soon, and they're just going to put them in a building over here somewhere, get a pen for them, because they'll have to bring sheep into here, and then we'll be lambing in. Quite a while off lambing yet, but they'll bring them in a bit before, get them on their proving and whatever. And we've got the sheep here. Well, we're bringing the ones that are having twins and triplets in. Singles will stay out. Just taking them a mineral bucket. There you go, see that model? Now it's focused on it. Yeah, that's it really. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. From me, bye.